Hey grade 12s, I'm just making a small video here just to show you how to use your calculator to calculate trig ratios using radians. So I'm gonna show this using an example here. So let's look at 3C. So we are asked to use our calculator to evaluate the trig ratio for the tangent of 5 pi over 6. So keep in mind first that even though the question did not tell you that it's in radians, I hope everyone understands that this angle is in radians because we have a pi symbol there. So remember that if we are referring to angles and the angle is given to us with a pi symbol or without a unit at all, such as these examples up here, then we know we're going to be using radians. So we go to our calculator here, and the first thing is we switch our setting for it. So instead of having it as degrees, we're going to switch it to radians. And keep in mind, I'm just showing you how to use it with this type of calculator, the ones that you normally find on phones or laptops. But if you have a different kind of calculator, it might be different steps to turn it to turn to the correct mode. So just make sure that you go to radian mode, because again, all the answers will be wrong if you're not in the correct mode there. So what we're going to do now is we are just going to calculate the tangent of 5 pi over 6. So first thing is we take 5, we multiply it by pi, and then we divide this by 6. So first figure out what the angle is. And once you have figured out what the angle is, then you will be taking the tangent of this angle right here. So we are going to be pressing the tan button right here, and it'll calculate the tangent ratio. And there's our final answer.